Plans for Dublin's long-awaited MetroLink are moving into a new phase, with officials now negotiating confidential land purchases along the proposed route. Wayne O'Connor reports. The project team says it is engaging with landowners whose properties could be subject to compulsory purchase orders. Individual agreements may include non-disclosure clauses, meaning the prices paid for specific properties may never be made public. MetroLink says the negotiations are confidential to ensure what it calls fair and equitable agreements, although the overall amount spent on land and access rights will be published once deals are complete. The issue of land costs sparked controversy earlier this year after MetroLink chief Sean Sweeney confirmed the project would pay €30 million to buy 10 homes on Dartmouth Square as part of a deal to end a legal challenge. Meanwhile, contractors interested in building the underground system have warned they need a clear long-term funding commitment before work begins. The government has pledged €2 billion so far, but the total cost of the project is expected to exceed €11 billion, with some estimates suggesting it could rise much higher. Developers have also raised concerns about the sheer scale of the project, warning the demand for workers and materials could put major pressure on Ireland's construction supply chains. Officials have said the line will be designed with flexibility in mind, meaning sections of the railway could open in phases rather than waiting until the entire route is completed. A preferred bidder to build the system is expected to be selected next year, with the final deal likely to be signed by 2028.